Hi guys, this is Zahir of Sublime Trading. This is your Forex video analysis. We have 4 charts to get through, starting with the dollar index. We'll start with the monthly time frame in the top left corner. We can see from this point here, which is the start of 2018, this red line here is the low of 2018, which created this support level. We can see that price since the low of 2018 has moved to the upside, and it's now finding resistance at the high of 2018. What we're looking for is price to break and close above this high and then start moving towards the 100 round number and then towards the next areas of resistance. Once we start seeing a continuation of the bull trend in the same fashion that we've seen here, then we can start looking to place trades on some of the dollar currencies. Here at Sublime, we don't actually trade the dollar index, we use it as a guideline, and once the dollar index does start trending, then we'll start looking to place trades on the dollar pairs. If we move across to the weekly time frame, we can see that price is above the 200 moving average, but trading in this area of consolidation. We want to see this resistance cleared and then further strength to the upside. And the same on the daily time frame. We can see prices above the 200 and the 50 simple moving averages, also above the 50 on the weekly as well. So price is trading above all the key moving averages, but until price breaks and closes above the high of 2018, we'll be keeping an eye out on this and waiting for a breakout before making any trading decisions. The next chart we look at is the euro pound. If we take a price from this point here, which is the high of 2018, we can see we've had weakness to the downside. Currently, the weakness to the downside has slowed down, but not with great momentum. We can see that these bullish candles are small. After every move, the market does tend to quiet down and consolidate before potentially seeing the next move down in the direction of this bearish trend. This is where patience comes in. We're now waiting for the low of March to be cleared before looking for any shorting opportunities. Now, if we move across to the weekly time frame, even though we are in a downtrend, price above the 200 moving average. We want to see price trading below the 200 moving average, like it is here on the daily time frame. It's below the 200 and the 50 moving average as well. Currently, just in this area of consolidation. So this is, once again, this is where patience comes in. Once we see price break through the weekly 200 moving average, then we can start looking to place short trades. The next chart we'll look at is the euro dollar. We can see from the high of 2018, price has been weakening and is finding support at the low of 2018. We want to see price break through this support level, break through the 1.10 round number, and then start looking for short trades. If we move across to the weekly time frame, price is below the 200 moving average and the 50 moving average. And if we come down to the daily time frame, price is also below the 200 and the 50 simple moving averages, but just trading in this area of consolidation. Price is just going sideways. What we want to see is momentum in a trend. And as the overall trend is bearish, we want to see momentum to the downside. So once again, this is where patience comes in. Once we get a breakout to the downside and we start seeing momentum to the downside, we can then start looking to place short trades. The final currency we'll look at is the pound Swedish krona. Again, bullishness to the upside. Price was trading above the high of 2018, but we've now seen a pullback to the downside. Price is now trading below the high of 2018. But this is not much to worry about. After every move, we tend to see a pullback before a continuation to the upside. Now, of course, price could weaken back into this area of consolidation. It's really down to the forces of the market. But what we're seeing here is not uncommon. This is where patience comes in. We want to see momentum to the upside. If we come across to the weekly time frame, we can see that price trading above the 200 and the 50 simple moving averages. Again, a move to the upside, a pullback to this area of previous resistance, now acting as support. We want to see this level hold strong and a bounce to the upside. Come down to the daily time frame, price above the 200 moving average, just trading below the 50 moving average, coming back towards that round number 12, which is an area of support. We want to see price remain above this level, a bounce to the upside. Breaking a close above this high point will suggest a continuation, and this is when we can start looking to place further long trades. We already do have a long position on this. If it fails, then we'll cut out for a very, very small risk attached. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and set your notifications on alert, and also click on the link in the description below to join us on our live webinar where we share more on our trend trading techniques, our verified results, and joining our community.